So someone asked me a question, and what was the question? He said, John, can I invest in crypto market and not lose my money? So the answer to that question is that there is no crypto market, there is no market, whether forex, crypto market, or any business that has no risk. If actually you want to make is a place where you can make money, where others are make money, there must be a risk. Okay, but how can I invest in crypto and not risk my money, not lose my money? Okay, so that was the actual question this person asked me. So I'm going to answer you that and share with you guys on how and a particular one place where you can put your money and not lose your money. Okay, because the first one which you need to avoid is buying meme coin. Okay, a new listed coin. If you don't want to lose money, don't buy a meme coin. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up the notification bell. Okay, so now the first way which you can put money in crypto market, like $100, $500, $1 or $1,000, and not lose your money, is to invest in coin arbitrage opportunity. What is coin arbitrage opportunity? One, coin arbitrage opportunity is when you buy a particular set of coin in one particular exchange, then you buy it for $1,000 and you go to another exchange and resell it for $1,000, $20. That's you make $20. Okay, you do it over and over again and make money. Okay, that is the only sure way you might not end up losing money. Another way is to start a P2P business. And what is P2P business? P2P is when you, just like people that are doing POS. Okay, you use machine, someone withdraw, you give the person cash and you move on, you make some percentage. So if you want to learn how to do that, I have a VIP group where I teach step by step on how to start doing that. Okay, so and it costs you only by 20 USDT for you to do what, to join. So over here, let's take a look at this first particular coin here, which you can see over here. If you take a look at this particular coin, you will see that this coin is a new coin. So let's open it. You can see it have made 216% only for today. So let's open the coin and see what is actually going on. So if you take a look at here now, you see that the coin is a new coin. And how do you know it's a new coin? You can see that the chart, it only have, this is 4-hour time frame, and this 4-hour time frame, it has only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on 4-hour time frame. So if you go to 1-hour time frame, it's just a new old coin. Okay, so this coin you see here, if you invest $100, then there is 90% chance or 99% chance that you will also do what, lose your money, because you don't know how the coin, the people that are behind this project. Okay, so there is a 99% chance that you will do what, you will lose your money, and 10% that you will make money. If actually you will make money, there is 10% opportunity here. Okay, this coin, you only have 10% chance to make money from it. That 10% is, it might go up, or maybe along the line going up, something might happen, it will go down. So you might end up losing your money while buying this particular coin. So let's see the second one, which is order here. Order have made 49%, but this coin is not actually a new listed coin. Okay, this one have been around for months. Okay, but can you actually lose your money in this coin since it's now at 30 cents? The question is, the answer to that question is what? Yes, you can lose your money. You can put your money today, and by the end of this today, you can lose, if you put $100, you can lose $40, you can lose $20, and by the end of today again, you can do what, you can still make ×3 of that your money. So the question here, someone else asks, is this a gamble? To me, it's not actually a gamble when you don't when you understand it, it will not be a gamble. But when you don't understand it, you just want to buy because every other person is buying, it becomes a gamble to you and you lose money. But someone who understands it might actually wait for it to do what? For it to dip more better and make a research about this particular coin. After making a research, when you see that a lot of people are behind the project and it's a strong project, you can wait for it to dip, to come down to 10 cents. Then you put in 50 US. You don't put much in altcoin and meme coin, okay? Mostly meme coin is quite dangerous, okay? There's only 5% chance you make money in meme coin, okay? And most of the time you don't make money, okay? So, and in Bitcoin, a strong project like Bitcoin, Solana, and other coin, okay, it work with seasons, okay? All of the both altcoin, they work with seasons, okay? So, but coin arbitrage is a place where when you invest in coin arbitrage, when you engage in it, you will not actually do what? Coin arbitrage, you will not lose money because you are actually buying from one place and selling in another place. Very simple, okay? So I'm hosting a class where I will be teaching you how to engage in coin arbitrage, because coin arbitrage has its own risk. And what are those risks? When you know it actually, you will not lose even cent. And what are those risks? That risk is when you buy a coin, just like Ethereum network. You want to buy a coin that is built on a lower network, just like Ethereum, okay? Now, when you buy a coin that is built under Ethereum, the gas fee is quite very high, okay? And when you transfer it to another coin, even if you make $20, they might end up charging you more than $20 for buying that particular coin. And there are some other coins that had a hidden fee. If you don't know that coin that has a hidden fee and you went and invest in it, you might actually end up doing what? Losing money in that kind of trade, okay? Just like this particular coin that you are seeing here that is called flag, okay? This particular coin that is called flag is built, it has two networks. It has Ethereum network and BNB network. If you don't know that the BNB aspect of it is the right one to buy and you will make money, you will go and buy Ethereum side of it and you lose money, okay? So in coin arbitrage, what is required is BNB smart chain network, okay? So let me give you an example of what coin arbitrage is. Take a look at this particular coin here, which is called Meat, okay? Meat is selling in this place. You can buy it in Phantom Wallet, okay? I will show you what Phantom Wallet is. So this coin now, you can see that this Meat is selling at 0.57 cent. That is 57 cents, okay? Now let's go to my Bybit and see how much Bybit is selling this particular coin, okay? So this is Bybit. You can see that Bybit is selling this particular the same coin that is at 215% at, for today is selling it at 0.56 cent, okay? Now there is only 2 cent opportunity in it. Let me show you over here. So you are buying it at 0.552. So now that I'm buying at 568, how much am I selling it? I'm selling it at 57, okay? So let's see the profit. So I'm buying at 568, okay? Now times 5,000, okay? Let's do 2,000. So this is 2,000, and how much are we getting here? We are buying it with $1,136, okay? That is the amount we are using to buy it, okay? Now, when we sell these 2,000 pieces of meat, which we bought with $1,136, when we sell it, what we need to do is to minus here and put 7, okay? So how much is the profit? Let's minus 136. How much is the profit? You can see the profit is $4. Is it profitable? In your own eyes, it's not profit. You doesn't you doesn't have the capital to do this. So if someone increases capital to $5,000, that person might be making more than $20 in this particular trade, okay? And the BNB doesn't charge you much. The amount a $5 person pay, that is the for fee, is the same amount the person using $10,000 will pay, okay, in BNB. That is the difference, okay? So the more money you have, and in my VIP group, I've already make it possible for somebody to do what? There are some opportunity that when you get them with just $50 with $20, you can be making $3 in this particular coin arbitrage. You just need to find the opportunity, okay? When you find opportunity that you have only $20, let me show you what it looks like. When you get another one that you buy for 50 cents, okay, with your $20, okay, that is, you get 40 pieces of it. If you sell it for $60, okay, now how much do you make? You make $24. That is extra $4 and even if you sell it for 55 cents, you still make $2. So this is the kind of opportunity you need to do what you need to engage yourself in, okay, in our VIP, because we share this kind of signal on daily basis, so you can use it to maximize and make profit. This is how it works, okay? So you can join now in our class to learn how to buy and sell this coin, how to use your hand to research and get opportunities, okay? It's not much you have to join our VIP group, but you need to learn, okay? You can come for the class. I teach you how to use your hand to find opportunities, okay? And for you to join the class, it will cost you $20, okay? For you to be able to do what? To join us and start